Are you ready to elevate your fitness journey? Meet the BORGUSI 3 horsepower folding treadmill. This treadmill is designed for all fitness levels. With a powerful 3 horsepower motor, it provides a robust workout experience. You will love the spacious 17.5 running surface. It supports speeds up to 8.5 miles per hour to match your pace. Feeling adventurous? The 12% auto incline feature adds an extra challenge to your workouts. It's perfect whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. Concerned about space? This treadmill folds away easily, making it ideal for home gyms. It's built with a sturdy frame that supports up to 300 pounds. Stay motivated as you work out. The BORGUSI treadmill includes built-in Bluetooth speakers. You can listen to your favorite music or podcasts during your session. Plus, it has a device holder for your phone or tablet. Track your workouts effortlessly with advanced features. Monitor your progress to stay focused on your fitness goals. In summary, the BORGUSI 3 horsepower folding treadmill is a versatile and durable fitness machine. It combines a powerful motor, auto incline, and smart features. Ready to take the next step towards a healthier you? Link is in the description below. Visit https://insuredmeds.com/product/Amazon.com. BORGUSI treadmill with 12 auto incline and 300 pounds capacity, 17.5 wide, 3 horsepower folding electric treadmill, max 8 to 5 mile per hour speed running machine with Bluetooth speaker /